So I have a question. If students have access to ChatGPT, AI tools, and so on all the time, why are we still doing 1 year of math? Like, why is your length of math study tied to a time frame when you have an essentially this tool that can give you more practice problems, give you examples, try to explain things? I think that our technology is invalidating the methods that we've had in the past. This idea of take a year and do algebra 1, take a year and do algebra 2, I think those methods have to be gone. And instead, here's my recommendation. How far does the student want to get in math, especially when they get to middle school? Let's say they're in 6th grade. So I've made a plan, a 7-year plan that takes students through differential equations, which is called Calculus 5. But let's say the student is in 6th grade and they're like, I want to be an engineer. Great. So why don't we put them on a track where they're doing math year round with weekend breaks, of course, and you have Christmas break and 1 week here, 1 week there, but not 3 months off. Like, that model is obsolete. It was obsolete before, and now it's even worse. So here's my recommendation. If you don't take summers off, your students can learn 4 more years of math than if you take summers off. That means we can have every student through Calculus 3. Like, if you want to be an engineer, we can get you through Calculus 3, linear algebra, differential equations. That's amazing. Even if you have to retake some of those courses, if you go to MIT, for example, you have to retake those. I know that for sure. But even if you have to retake those courses, you literally didn't waste your opportunities in middle school and high school. I think our current education system, if it doesn't change, is wasting the time of the youth. I used to say that education was expired, and that it expired on September 4th, 1998, which is when Google came out, right? So the knowledge-based economy for education was basically, it was expired because you could learn anything you wanted at any time. When I was in school in Lagos, Nigeria, I couldn't just access any book I wanted in Federal Government College, Lagos, or my primary school. I had to wait till the next year. Of course, I could have probably talked to my seniors to give me their books. But anyways, that's a different story. Then Google came. That availability was there. I didn't get access to Google in its full scope till probably 2005. But now you have AI. So modern education expired, I think, in 1998. But now I think it's actually toxic to keep taking it the way it is, because it's actually not good for you at this point. That's my recommendation. So let's go for a year-round math education and get students 4 more years of math education, at least, possibly more. I'm here to help. Reach out, countytocalculus.org. Have a blessed day.